Welcome. If you are wondering whether the Xiaomi Black Shark 4 from the European distribution has an original phone case and the set, I will show you quickly. So let's open the box. Here we have a smartphone, charging cable, brick, and the case we can find in this place with a quick spec of our device. It's a plastic case. Unfortunately, it doesn't cover the edges. I'm going to put it on the phone, so I will show you how it looks. Okay, and as you can see, that's how it looks when you put the case on the phone. So you get quick access to all buttons that you have on the left and the right side. Also the triggers that you can find here when you unlock them with these buttons. So yes, in this smartphone you can find original case for that exact model. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.